In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit scheduled posts on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. If you haven't already logged in, this is the time to do so. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. A quick tip here, make sure your login information is up to date to avoid any unnecessary hitches. And if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This extra security step is crucial for keeping your account protected. Now that you're logged in and on the LinkedIn homepage, look for the Start a Post option. This is typically quite prominently displayed, as LinkedIn encourages users to share updates and information. Click on this option to open the post interface. Once the post interface is open, keep an eye out for a clock icon or an option that says Schedule for later. Clicking on this is your gateway to the scheduling area, where all your scheduled posts are stored. In the Schedule Post pop-up, choose View All Scheduled Posts. This view will display a neatly organized list of all your planned posts, which is an excellent way to maintain oversight of what content you're sharing and when. Next, you'll want to find the specific scheduled post you'd like to modify. Depending on the number of posts you have, you might need to scroll a bit, but take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one. To the right of the selected post, you'll see the More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click on this icon, and you'll see a small menu with various options. Choose Edit Post if your goal is to tweak the actual content. If you need to update the text or include a new image, this is the moment to make those changes. However, if it's the timing you need to adjust, select the option labeled Modify Schedule. This allows you to change the date and time of the post, giving you flexibility in how your content goes live. Once you've made the necessary edits, whether you're updating the content or adjusting the timing, be sure to click Save or Schedule to apply the changes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to modify your scheduled posts on LinkedIn. By mastering these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn presence is always on point and reflective of your latest updates. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!